Drop shipping company. We have a foul jersey number 33. It's your first personal foul. First of the team. And also sa Bing Hu. Bing Shu. Vlogger yan. Pakipalo lang po sa page ni Bing Shu at manood tayo sa mga vlogs niya.
Libangan Apps.
At sa Libangan Apps, pa-download na lang din po tayo mga sirs. Thank you sponsors and split charity para kay jersey number 4.
Yung team leader lang. Kailang game na yan.
And a miscommunication. Ano nangyari balingit? Dito pa nalay ha. Bumabawi yung iba. Number 00, wala. Eto na si Balingit. Balingit! Grabe naman yun! Uyo po, nagkabi pa sa ere. Foul, basket count, foul jersey number 10. First personal foul, first of the team. Bonus free throw will be given to jersey number 4, Balingit. He makes the bonus 7 against 1. Number 19, miss the layup. Rebound na naman ni Balingit. Pass to Guardian. Guardian, akin na lang. Malakas yung tira. Same ball na tayo. Out si Morales.
Number 2 points, 21-18.
Castillo. 10 to shoot. Balingit.
And one.
And 1. Foul jersey number 30.
And the shoot.
First personal foul, second of the team. Bonus free throw will be given to jersey number 09, Guardian. He missed the bonus. And a rebound by Warriors, and we have a foul. Foul jersey number 4, Balingit. First personal foul, second of the team. Same ball.
Foul jersey number 4. First personal foul, team foul number 3.
Number 0. Sizing it up 2 points. Number 0.
First try, pasok. 21-19.
30 pala, 30. Kasi 10 pala.
Second try.
Abando to Guardian. What a pass from Abando to Guardian. Official running score 11 against 3. Garcia loses the handle. Shout out sa coach ng Spurs, Joshua. Back-to-back coach to ha. Abando, thinking 3. Wala. Rebound by number 10 of Warriors. Number 10, harassed by Balingit. Garcia kicks out to number 3. Bang! Number 3 for 3. Balingit to Castillo, babawi, not this time. Rebound by number 10. And a steal by Balingit. Fix. Abando sizing it up 2 points. Abando. We have a call. Sir, kalma tayo. Malamig yung panahon. Ang init nyo. What's the call, ref? Technical foul. Jersey number 33 of the Spurs. 1 free throw. And same ball. Kalma lang. Time out, Spurs. Ingat lang, sir. And please, kalma lang tayo. Papawin sila kang. Back to the ball game for the Charles timeout.
Back to the ball game.
Bola ng Warriors, bola. Kalma-kalma lang tayo mga sirs. Number 3, and a steal by Castillo to Guardian. Grabe naman si Guardian. Back-to-back points for Guardian. Number 3, aras by Balingit to 19. Tumama na yung bola pero bola pa rin ang Sparks.
Pass to Tariq.
Lumus pa rin din nila. Balingit.
Number 7.
And almost a steal, same ball, 14 to shoot.
By number 2.
Castillo! Bang! Sinipat pa ni Sir. Grabe naman yung pansi Sir doon sa kanto. Standa. And malakas yung pass.
Foul goes to number 7.
3 minutes, 10 seconds. Balingit.
Foul to foul number 1.
Balingit. What a nice B. Good yan. Kabila yung pito mga sirs.
Foul.
Number 3. Stop and pop.
First personal foul.
Air ball.
Foul number 2. Second team foul pa lang tayo mga boss.
Balingit. Aras by number 3. Pass to Abando. 18 against 6. 12. Guardian. What up? Grabe naman yung kamay ni Guardian ngayong gabi. 8 points so far for Guardian. Long pass to Standa. Jimenez lays a layup. Here comes Spars. Castillo. And pop.
Not this time.
Rebound by Morales. Long pass to number 19. To number 10. Binompa sa ere. Wala. Number 19 to follow. And 1. Foul, jersey number 3, second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Ako ka lang boss.
33.
Fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Bonus free throw para kay jersey number 19. Wala yung bonus. Rebound ni Balingit. Here comes Spars.
Second high score. 24-21.
Last game. Oh, may foul siya. Siya yung una. May una siyang foul. Tapos, Balingit. What? Uy! Binomba pa sa ere. Kabila yung pito. Diretso na kayo. Number 19. Akin na to. Kinaliwa pa. 2 points. Number 19. Baba sa 10. 20-10. 10 lamang. Balingit to Castillo. To Abando. Abando to Guardian. Same ball daw tayo, sabi ni Rep. 14 to shoot. Abando. 4-3. Wala. Here comes Warriors. Musngi loses the handle. Nakuha ni Abando. 50 seconds. Castillo. Long pass to Guardian.
Number 4.
Bola tayo ng Warriors. Tumama daw sa kamay ni Guardian.
Warning for penalty.
35 seconds. Servania to number 4 Garcia lays it in. Baba sa 8. 24 seconds. Ala na shot clock. Game clock na lang. Abando. Coast to coast. We have a foul. Foul jersey number 10. Mosque. Dalawa ka na. Third of the team. Wala na tayong oras, sir. Free throw na lang yan, sir. Sir, free throw na lang yan.
13 seconds shot clock. 30 to shoot.
Super 2 para kay Abando. And this game is brought to you by Sisig Express. Kung kayo nagugutom, mag-order na. Kumain na sa masarap. Andun lang yun andun lang yan sa night market. Sisig Express na po tayo.
10 seconds.
La Cola.
Penalty tayo rin.
It's Back to the ball game for our second quarter.
Seconds.
Shout out ulit sa ating sponsors.
First try na po. Tignan natin ang pangalawa. 10.4
Pasok.
seconds remaining time. Set.
Pasok Spurs.
Ten point four. 5 seconds. Basket in. That's the end of the second
Gonzalez.
quarter. Score 28-22.
To number 27. Long pass to number 30. Bola ng Warriors.
Back to the ball game. RJ
Gonzalez for 3. Not this time. Rebound by number 0 to number 17. Another turnover para sa Spurs. Gonzalez.
The 25 to points.
Long 2, wala. Offensive rebound para sa Warriors. 10 to shoot. Another turnover. Palitan lang, magandang laban hanggang matapos turnover. Pablo. Back to Pablo. 10 to shoot. Ting. Baba na. Mintis this time.
10 to shoot.
Allen. Number 10. And we have a foul. Foul jersey number 0. First personal foul. First of the team.
Foul jersey number 20.
Grabe, scoreless tayo ha. 2 minutes na yun na wala. Allen. For 3. Airball. Long pass to number 30.
Nice good. 31-22.
Eagle. Gonzalez picks. Symbol. Timeout. Spurs.
Seaton.
Unsa nang lakol-lakol? Lakulay problem si unsa na isa?
31-24.
Unsa na Bing? Si Bing. So, tapos ka na isa.
Okay, shout out sa ating sponsors.
Foul number 20.
Bing Chu, ating vlogger sa Dubai. And Lakula Drop Shipping, Sisig Express, Libangan Apps.
26-31.
Number 10. Back to Gonzalez. 10 to shoot. Gonzalez loses the handle. Kinaliwa. Wala. And the recover ni Gonzalez and 1. Foul jersey number 0 is your second personal foul. Second of the team. Bonus free throw will be given to jersey number 24 of Team G's W Warriors for bonus free throw.
Foul number 1.
Pasok yung bonus.
Foul, first team foul.
Patanod na po ng Pablo to number 17. Ganda ng ulog. 10 to shoot. Tumama to yung bola sa linya. Allen. Now we have a call na carrying
Timeout.
traveling.
Score 31-28.
Pablo. Aras by Allen. 10 to shoot. Same ball. Sabi ni Rep, natapik. Number 17. Good, kabila yung pito. Number 10. Uy, grabe naman yun, sir. Kinuha pa niya yung bola. Baba sa 5, 22-70.
Now set 2 points. 33-28.
Pablo. So number 12, 10 to shoot. Good yan ha, kabila yung pito. Pablo running shot, 2 points.
15.
Unang puntos para sa Spurs. And a steal by number 17. Pablo. Crossover. 10 to shoot. Number 30 fakes. And is stolen it back, and we have there's the number 08. First personal foul, first of the team. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. J-Lo, wala. Andun si number 17, wala yung 30 rather.
30.
Here comes Gonzalez, ang nagbubuhat sa Warriors. Allen fakes, nice block para kay Pablo. Lumabas yung ball. Same ball daw tayo. 24-17, baba sa pito.
Points.
Pa-download na po lang Libangan apps. 10 to shoot. Yusuf, water please, Team Spurs. Libangan apps mga idol, pa-download na lang. It's our one of the sponsors ng CBL. At sa Sisig Express, kung kayo gutom na. Nagkikrib ng mga sisig. Same ball tayo, sabi niya rin. Warning jersey number 0.
Foul number 20.
Unsportsmanlike behavior.
Tatlo ka na number 20. Number 20, first personal foul, 15 foul.
Gonzalez. Taking 3, not this time. Tapikan. Nakuha number 7. And a steal by Spurs. Here comes Pablo to number 30. Legendary, 2 points. 26-70. Long pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, pinomba. Grabe naman. 26-19. Baba sa pito.
Foul jersey number 15. Second personal foul, 13 foul.
Number 30. Wala. Andun si Bossing to follow it up. 28 against 19. Allen to Gonzalez. Gonzalez nilapit pa. Wala. Offensive rebound para sa Warriors. Allen. And not this time. Pablo. What a pass from Pablo. But Bossing missed the shot and foul on jersey number 12. First personal foul, third of the team.
Foul jersey number 14 at 24. Apat ka na, boss. Running for penalty.
And a steal by Espina to J-Lo, rather, 2 points. Balik sa 11, 30-19.
Foul jersey number 34.
Gonzalez.
Alam na.
Ay, sayang. A steal. 1 minute. Bossing. 2 points this time. Umangat sa 13. 32-19.
First try steal.
45 seconds. Agunoy taking 3. Wala. Grabe naman yung lipad din number 10 and 1. Foul jersey number 0. Third personal foul, warning for penalty para sa Spurs. Bonus free throw para kay number 10, Olar. Pasok yung bonus. 20 seconds. Alam na tayong shot clock. Game clock na lang.
Foul jersey number
15.
3, Felipe. Warning for penalty, RGA. Warning for penalty.
10. 5.
First nice move. Score 35 all.
Wala ng oras.
Sub.
Alright, that's it for our second quarter or first half. Our official running score 32 against 22, 10. O Warriors, pipili ba kayo o wala na? Wala na, continue na sir. Allen, pipili pa kayo, hindi na. Wala na daw, diretso na Joshua, pasok. Bola ng Spurs, third quarter. Change court. Wala na daw pilihan.
3 points, 38-36.
Pasok yung hindi nakapasok pa, ha? Pasok.
Foul jersey number 2, penalty direct.
Pasok na mga sir, pasok na. Kupi na.
Second
Isa pa, Joshua.
penalty for
Baligit, let's go.
38-37. Second try. Pasok. All ang score natin. All.
Pablo. Offensive rebound para sa Spurs, 14 to shoot.
Rivera number 2.
Umapak sa linya. Shoutout ulit sa ating sponsors. Lakula Drop Shipping.
Red. May foul tayo. Wala. Okay. 9 seconds to shoot.
Sisig Express.
15.5
Beng
seconds.
Shu, ang ating vlogger. Pakipalo lang po sa ating vlogger. Sa TikTok, Facebook page, YouTube, and Steal by Warriors. Yun lang.
7.5. Yeah, pasok. Okay, pasok. 7.5. May shot.
Okay, at kung kayo gusto ng mga games sa mobiles nyo, sa tablet, laptop, download na po kayo ng Libangan apps. Balingit. What a pass. What a deny. 10 to shoot.
That's the end of our third quarter.
Now we have a foul. Foul jersey number 30. Second personal foul, first of the team. Yan, kung kayo nagugutom na mga sirs, hanapin nyo lang dyan sa night market ang Sisig Express. Napakasarap ng pagkain na dyan. Napaka-affordable na. Baka naman, Sisig Express. And sa mga magpapatay po ng jerseys, uniforms, sa tailoring na po tayo mga sir. Napaka-pogi at napaka-bait ng ating mayari dyan sa tailoring. Basta kalbo, guwapo, hindi babaero. Love you, boss. At Red Eye Tailoring. Kung magpapatay din kayo sa Red Eye Tailoring din, sa din yan, sa legit. 10 to shoot, Pablo.
Why you're laughing? I'm saying Pablo.
What is up? 5 to shoot.
Okay, back to the ball game for our third and final quarter.
I know Pablo is selling drugs, huh? The drug lord, huh? The famous drug lord, huh?
Ito na si Panganor.
Gonzalez.
Sino ito naman
Not this time. And what a rebound, but he missed. A William foul jersey number 24, Gonzalez. First personal foul, second personal foul, rather, second of the league.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Balingit to Pablo. Shoutout ulit tayo sa ating sponsors, Beng Shu. Pakipalo na po kay Beng Shu sa ating Facebook page. Sa Facebook page niya pala, sa TikTok, 10 to shoot.
Ito na si Mr.
At sa YouTube channel, Pablo Drives. We have a foul.
11, wala.
Foul jersey number 10. Sinong 10 yan? Dalawang 10. Tatlo ka na, sir. Third of the team.
Gandaan. Foul jersey number 13, Martinez. Okay, sub, pasok, pasok.
Pasok yung una. Wala pa, 6 minutes pa daw sa sub ka. Sa sub ka. At tayo mag-kaya, sige.
Bonus throw by
Basket, time
Jansen. Wally.
Wala yung pangalawa. 14 pa, may 14 seconds. Time out.
Number 3.
Time out!
Back to Jordan. Titira. Wally.
Warriors. Now we would like to shout out our sponsors. Lakula Drop Shipping, Sisig Express. Kung kayo nagugutom, hanapin ang Sisig Express sa DSF Nightmare. Back to the ball game for the Charles. Time out.
Kailangan na bola. Number 3. Crossover. Spinning. Spins. Pass to number 11. Bang there for 3.
At pakipalo lang po sa Facebook page, TikTok account, TikTok page, YouTube ni Bencio. Nababayan natin yan. Napakabait yan. Isa sa sponsors ng CBL. Now we have foul jersey number 24. First personal foul, first of the team.
May foul na tayo. Number 3.
33-25, walo ang hinahabol ng Warriors.
Okay, 24 seconds.
Number 3, Fars, not this time, rebound by number 10, Fakes, Fars miss, rebound by number 10 of Spars, and a steal. Musnge, wala, he got the sound miss, same ball for team to shoot.
Number 3, nag-iisang ikaw, 2 points. 45-42.
Gonzalez, 10 to shoot, not this time, rebound by Balingit. Long pass to Torres. Torres lays it and he missed the shot. Pablo, offensive rebound, Fars, and we have a foul. Foul jersey number 24. Sabrep. Sabrep.
45-44.
Second personal foul. Gonzalez warning for penalty. Warriors.
Number 22, wala.
Wala yung una.
Ano ba? Sub tayo. Sub.
Wala yung pangalawa. 33-25. Walo pa rin. Almost a steal. Gonzalez ang bumubuhat 2 points. Babasa 6. 33-27.
Ito na sila holding ngayon. Pass to number 11. Bang! Points.
Pablo.
44.
Abando. Power move. Wala.
Jansen.
Na-recover number 3. Na-steal ni Pablo. 3 against 1. What a pass from Pablo to Torres. Pwede na pang my day. Pang my night. Isang linggong highlights yun. Torres. Now we have a foul. Foul jersey number 3. Pushing foul. Penalty left. Penalty. Sabrep. Call your sub. Sabrep. Takin tayo. Takin. Sub.
Ito na si number 13. Pinas Ali Bring libre. 2 points. 48-46.
Abando. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound number 10. Abando. Lazy red. 2 points. Pinabayaan si Pop. Abando. Balik sa 10. 37-27.
46.
Gonzalez. To number 3. For 3. Wala. Rebound by Abando.
Maano ka?
Foul jersey number 19. Penalty rep. Sub. Tawag sub. Penalty na.
25.
Penalty.
October.
Wala yung una. Basket sa prep.
Ito na si Romero. 10 to shoot.
Basket sa rep. Wala yung palawa. Ayaw magpasab. Alam niya siya yung papalitan. Number 3. Winasiwas yung bola. Pinasa sa kalaban.
Sit down to points.
Sub rep. Sub. Abando out.
Wala.
Kaya daw hindi niya pinaasik yung free throw. Papalitan daw siya. 37-27 sa Poo. Gonzales. Good yan, kabilang pito.
Who's Barrett? Number 2.
Number 10, na-traffic sa ilalim. Wala yung tira, Neular. Away of foul. Foul on jersey number 3, penalty rep. Free throws na lang yan sir, free throw na lang, free throw. Walang oras, number 3, second personal foul ka na. Free throw na lang yan. We would like to thank our sponsors. Lakula Drop Shipping. Sisig Express. Kung kayo nagugutom, hanapin na po yung Sisig Express dyan sa DSM Night Market. Napakasarap ng pagkain dyan. At pakipala po sa page ni Pink Shoe. Pakipala po sa TikTok account niya, Facebook account, YouTube account. Okay, pasok fourth quarter. And sa Libangan apps kung gusto nyo maglaro online, bola ng Warriors, Libangan apps pa download ng mga idol. Libangan, magbantala na. Meron na. Let's go! Sisig Express, baka naman.
Foul jersey number 3. Second personal foul.
Number 3, fix.
13 foul both teams. 13 foul.
Stop and pop, and we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 1, Castillo. First personal foul, first of the
Pwede ba? Wala.
Takin Castillo.
Who's Barrett? Number 2. Apat ka na, boss.
In and out yung
One
una.
for penalty. Yes, yes, Abet. Tabakin mo, boss. One in for graduation and one in for penalty. Team by GA.
Split charity para kay jersey number 3. 37-28. Sham.
There to shoot.
Foul on jersey number 10. Apat ka na. Musngi. Sabret. Sab. Hawag. First of the team. Castillo to number 2.
Okay, apat. Sila na yung pwede. Apat. Apat ka na. One.
Torres. Lazy din. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Ular.
Warning for penalty.
Ular to Agunoy. Number 10, Ular Ewan. Grabe naman yung side set na yun. Foul jersey number 2. Illegal use of hand. Bonus free throw will be given to jersey number 10, Ular. First personal foul, number 2 of Spars, second of the team. Airball yung bonus. Walong minuto sa ating fourth quarter. 37-30, pito lang yan, malayo pa yan.
47-52.
Torres to Castillo, not this time. Rebound by number 3.
Both teams nasa penalty.
Almost a steal, we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 1. Castillo, second personal foul, third of the team. Pwede pa sa... wala sir, layas bito ka, malayas bito ka sir. Okay lang yan.
53-47.
Lalapit, hindi naman tatayo naman pag naglalaro. Gonzales turns, what a move! A wheel foul. Foul on jersey number 12, Bossing.
2 points.
Second personal foul, warning for penalty ng Spars.
55-47.
Pasok yung una ni Gonzales. Baba sa 6.
Two points. 57-47.
Super 2. Ang pakashooter naman ni Gonzales. Baba sa 5.
Team says, isang timeout na lang kayo, boss.
Torres, sige lang, sabi ni Joshua. Kaya yan. Guardian, along one. Not this time. What a time by Bossing. Wala. Tapikan, nariwan ni Guardian. Guardian, step 2. Grabe naman yun. Agunoy to Gonzales ang nagbubuhat ng Warriors. To number 10, Olar, powering his way, and we have foul. Foul on jersey number Guardian. 09, penalty rep, penalty. Guardian, first personal foul, penalty na tayo rep. Olar, wala yung una. 39-32, pito. Basket stop, basket timeout. Dalawa. Timeout! Warriors. Running score 39-33.
Isa. Both teams na isang timeout. Pasok.
Pwede mag timeout basta dead bull. Back to the ball game for the charge timeout.
Second personal foul penalty, both teams.
Isang timeout sa Warriors, tatlo sa Spurs. Tatlo sa Spurs. Pablo. To Abando. Back to Pablo. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. We have a 3 seconds violation. Sub, Josh. Ito. And a steal by Guardian. Guardian, akin na to. Ako nag-steal eh. Ay, pinasa pa rin. 2 points sa Bando. Balik sa 8. 41-33. 4 na minuto. Sabrep. Guardian out.
Salit.
Espina in.
Salit lang. Oh, sige, basket yun, sige. 37, saglit. Yan, 38, 39. Binalik ko lang ang oras, par.
Gonzales for 3. Not this time. Rebound ng Warriors.
Pumasok ha.
Agunoy to number 3. Fix. 10 to shoot.
Tanda na pangalawa.
Sirvania. Not this time. Rebound by Torres. We have a foul. Number 24. It's your third personal foul. Second of the team. 41-33. Walo.
Ingat pati.
Pablo. To Abando. We have a foul. Foul jersey number 24. Pushing foul. Warning for graduate Gonzales. 3 minutes. Stop time na tayo. Abando. Kay Bossing. We have foul. Foul number 10. Olar. 2 free throws para kay number 12. Pasok yung una ni Bossing. Candidate.
Takindol.
Wala yung pangalawa. Ang rebound ni Olar. Pinasa kay number 3. Number 19. To si Sirvania. A wheel foul. Foul on Torres. Sabrep. Number 7 out. Sabrep.
That's That's the end of our whole game final. Score 62-54. Congratulations, Team Lebanon Saints.
Teka, sila.
Best man of the
Pasok
game.
yung una.
Zero, Seaton.
Hindi. Time out! Spars. 2 minutes 31 seconds pa. Dapat na hindi ko sila. 42-36. Anim lang yan, mga sir. Back to the ball game for the Charge. Time out. Pablo Torres Pinomba, nice D para sa Warriors. Last 2 minutes, and this last 2 minutes brought to you by Lakula Drop Shipping, Sisig Express, Bengsu, and Libangan Apps. 10 to shoot. 5. Turnover para sa Spurs. 1 minute 45 seconds. 6 lang yan. Gonzales. Number 3. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Gonzales for 3. Wala. Bola ng Spurs. 1 minute 27 seconds. Pablo. And another turnover para sa Spurs.
Sabi ni Paolo, mag-global billing. Global billing.
Here comes Warriors. Number 3 for 3. In and out. Rebound by Pablo. Sige na ha. Sub rep, sub. Abando out. Montaya in. 1 minute 10 seconds.
Diba? Ha? Bakit? Paalam ka, di rin siya payakin.
Torres. Aras by Gonzales. 10 to shoot. 5. 50 seconds. And a steal by Torres. Torres, wala. Rebound by Orar. We have a foul. Penalty na yan, rep. Foul Torres. Penalty na, rep. Penalty. Bigyan yung bola itong kabila. Olar. Wala yung una. 36 seconds. Wala rin palawang. Rebound by Musnye. Ewan. Foul jersey number 10. Bonus free throw para kay Musnye. Number 10. Musnye. 32 seconds. Pasok yung bonus. Tatlo lang.
Salamin ka na, malabo pa.
We have a foul. Penalty rep. Foul number 3, penalty. Tatlo ka na. Number 3, penalty na ang both teams. We would like to thank our sponsors, Lakula Drop Shipping, Sisig Express, Bengsu, The Vlogger, and pa-download lang po ng Libangan Apps, mga idol. Pasok yung una ni Pablo. Bumaba sa 4, sayang. Super 2 for Pablo. 5. Number 19.
Ayan, yan, nagpadali.
Number 3. Oh, we have a call. Penalty rep, penalty. Foul jersey number 2, penalty rep. Torres. Third personal foul, both teams penalty. Bigay na. 14 seconds. Wala yung una. 14 seconds. Meron. Okay, basket timeout ha.
Toro sila pa.
Wala pa rin yung pangalawa. Rebound by Pablo. 10 seconds. We have a call. Penalty rep, penalty, penalty. Pareho ng penalty kanina pa. Time out, tol. Mamaya. Time out, Warriors. Warriors, wala ng time out. 10 seconds. Back to the ball game for the Charge. Time out. 2 free throws para kay Pablo. 10 seconds. Ang time out? Wala na, sarado na. Sarado na yung... Sarado na yung hurado. Ala lang time out. Pasok yung una. 6. Sayang, 3 lang sana yun. Super 2 for Pablo. Wala daw foul. Hayaan nyo na daw. Gonzales. Wala. Doon na tayo sir. 3 seconds.
Time out, time out!